What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu benchmark comparison between the iPhone 11 Pro against the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So we have the A13 Bionic versus the Exynos 9825, 4GB of RAM versus 12, and the rest of the specs you can see on these sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the iPhone 11 Pro finished first, and overall it scored a lot higher. The Galaxy Note 10 Plus finished after about 1 minute and 15 seconds. As for the breakdown of the categories, the iPhone 11 Pro scored higher for the CPU, the GPU and the UX, and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus scored a lot higher for the memory. So that wraps up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. I am planning to get the OnePlus 7T and the 7T Pro, and there will be comparison videos. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.